I'm very close to a cicada. It's up in the tree right there. I'm gonna grab this cicada and make you see up close what it looks like. Male cicadas have tymbals on either side of their upper abdomen that produce this loud sound that attract the females in courtship. Cicadas are large insect that looks like a giant fly with transparent wings. Some can reach up to 2 inches in length like this one. They are often heard and seen in the summer when they emerge from the ground to start a life cycle that repeat year after year. This is one of several species of cicadas found in the island of Jamaica. In this island, most are annual, occurring every year. After mating, female cicadas lay eggs in slits they create in tree branches. These eggs will hatch into nymph that eventually spend their life cycle on the ground. On the ground, these nymphs feed on the roots of trees. This stage can last for several years in some species. In annual cicadas, the nymph life cycle is short. It lasts just for a year. And close to the year, they emerge from the ground. They attach themselves to the root of trees and climb to the branches. Here, they will undergo a molting session. And as they molt, they become a new adult. They leave the old host or the whole host of their body aside and emerge as a full-grown adult, ready to start the life cycle again.